Good morning, children. Welcome to session 1 of Language Space English. And today's topic is revision of yes or no in sentence form. In previous session, you have learned the introduction of yes or no, in which you have learned the correct use of yes or no in sentence form. Today we will do the revision of yes or no in the sentence form orally as well as in the written form. Is it a pen? Yes, it is a pen. Is it a ball? No, it is a book. Is it a box? Yes, it is a box. Now children, open page 121 of your English classwork book. We will read the question and answers. Children, open page number 121 of your English classwork book. Today we will read the question answers related to yes or no sentences. Now the first question. Is this an egg? Answer 1. No, this is a cat. Question 2. Is this a red cap? Yes, this is a red cap. Question 3. Is that a mug? Can you see the pointer over here? Okay. Answer will be no, that is a cup. Is that a hen? No, that is a pen. Question 5. Is it a van? Yes, it is a van. Now the last question. Is it a pet? Yes, it is a pet. Now let's read the question answers once again. Is this an egg? No, this is a cat. Is this a red cap? Yes, this is a red cap. Is that a mug? No, that is a cup. Is that a hen? No, that is a pen. Is it a van? Yes, it is a van. Is it a pet? Yes, it is a pet. So children, are you ready? Let's write the answers of the questions using yes or no in sentence form. Open page number 120 of your English classwork book. Now children, open page 120 of your English classwork book. We will write the answers of the following questions using yes or no in sentence form. Answer the following questions using yes or No. Now the first question. Look at the picture carefully. Is it a bun? Now children, always remember, a question ends with a question mark and an answer ends with a full stop. No, as the picture is not of a bun, it is of hut. So the answer will be no, it is a hut. Now we will write the answer. In the margin, capital A dot 1. A is for answer. Near the margin, capital N. No, leave some space, put a comma, again leave some space. It is a hut. Full stop. No, comma, it is a hut. Full stop. Now the second question. Look at the picture properly. Is it a frog? Answer will be no, as this is not a frog, but it is a raincoat. So now we will write the answer. In the margin, capital A dot 2. Near the margin, capital N. N-O, no, comma, leave some space. No, it is a raincoat. R-A-I-N-C-O-A-T. Raincoat. No, comma, it is a raincoat. Full stop. Now, question 3. Look at the picture. Is it a leg? So the answer will be yes, as the picture is of leg. So the answer will be yes, it is a leg. In the margin, capital A dot 3. Capital Y E S, yes, comma, IT, it is a leg, leg. Full stop. Yes, comma, it is a leg. Yes, it is a leg. Now, the last question. Look at the picture carefully. Is it a hen? Yes, it is a hen. In the margin, capital A dot 4. The answer will be capital Y E S, yes. Leave some space, put a comma. It is a HEN, hen. Full stop. Now let's read the question answers once again. Is it a bun? No, it is a hut. Is it a frock? No, it is a raincoat. Question 3. Is it a leg? Yes, it is a leg. Question 4. Is it a hen? Yes, it is a hen. Hope you have written it correctly and very neatly.
This is your homework. Open your English homework book, page number 111. You have to answer the questions using yes or no in sentence form.
See you in session 2. Bye-bye.